Turkey's Bougainvillea, exact bloom window plus indoor tips. If you've ever walked the streets of Bodrum or Antalya and wondered, when does Bougainvillea bloom in Turkey? Here's the simple answer: from early spring to late fall. But that's the headline. Let me give you the season-to-season roadmap so you know exactly what to expect and how to keep those colors going as long as possible. Early spring, March to April. In the warm coastal zones, the buds start waking up as nights pass 10 degrees C. Aegean coast, Mediterranean coast, Izmir, Fethiye, Alanya. Tip: give it full sun, at least 6 hours. Water deeply, then let the top soil dry. Bougainvillea hates wet feet. Late spring to early summer, May to June. This is showtime. Sunshine is stronger, days are longer, and your plant ramps up. You'll get big sheets of magenta bracts, fuchsia bracts, white bracts, orange bracts. If you're growing in a pot, outdoors on a balcony, rotate the pot weekly so all sides get sun. Or indoors by a bright window, rotate the pot weekly so all sides get sun. Light equals color. Peak summer, July to August. On the south and west coasts, it blooms almost non-stop. Inland cities can still bloom, but heat plus dry winds can stress plants. Water strategy: soak, then let it dry slightly. You want tough love, not soggy soil. A balanced, low-nitrogen fertilizer once a month keeps bracts coming. Too much nitrogen makes leaves, not flowers. Late summer to early fall, September to October. You'll often get a second or even third wave of color as nights cool just a bit. This is the sweet spot for Istanbul balconies with strong southern exposure. Prune lightly right after a bloom flush to encourage new growth. New growth brings new bracts. Avoid heavy pruning late fall, November. Along the warm coast, plants can keep blooming into November if nights stay mild. Inland, blooms slow down as temperatures dip. If you're in a cooler area, move potted plants indoors before nights drop below 5 degrees C. Brightest window you have, less water, no drafts. Winter, December to February. Outdoors, coastal plants may hold leaves and even a few blooms in sheltered spots, but most rest. Indoors, you can keep it alive and prepping for spring. Maximum light, minimal water, and no overfeeding. Quick region guide: Mediterranean and Aegean coasts, longest season, early spring to late fall, sometimes longer. Marmara and Black Sea, later start, shorter peak, protect from cold snaps. Central and Eastern Anatolia, treat as a container plant, outside in warm months, inside for winter. Indoor success checklist: sun, the brightest window you've got, south facing. Sun, the brightest window you've got, west facing. Pot, snug, well-draining mix. Bougainvillea blooms better slightly root-bound. Water, deep but infrequent. Let the top layer dry. Prune, after each flush, lightly. So, when does Bougainvillea bloom in Turkey? Early spring to late fall, longer by the sea, shorter inland. Give it warmth and sun, a little restraint with water, and it will reward you with months of color, outside on the coast or right by your window in a pot. That's your season-to-season roadmap. Now go find that sunny spot.